In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a URL in WordPress. Redirecting URLs can be critical for maintaining a seamless user experience on your website, especially if you're moving content around or tidying up your site structure. It's also great for preserving SEO value by ensuring your visitors and search engines find content in its new home. We'll break down the process into simple, digestible steps, making this task a breeze, even if you're relatively new to WordPress. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. Think of it as your main control center, where you can access various aspects of your site's settings, design, and content. From here, you're going to focus on the left-hand menu, find and click on Plugins. Plugins are essentially mini programs or extensions that add functionalities to your WordPress site that are not available out of the box. Next, within the Plugins section, you'll want to select Add New. This is where you can search for new plugins to add capabilities to your site. We're looking for a specific tool here, so in the search bar, type in redirection. You'll see a list of options and you want to pick the popular redirection plugin. It's a solid choice for straightforward redirect tasks. Once you've located it, go ahead and click install, then activate the plugin. It's important to activate it so it's live on your website and you can start using its features. Activation might take a few seconds, so just be patient. With the plugin activated, let's move forward. Look again at the left-hand menu on your dashboard and scroll down to Tools. Underneath Tools, you'll now see an option for redirection. Click that to continue. You'll be taken to the redirection setup page. Here you'll see an Add New button. Click on it, which will bring up the fields you need to create your redirects. You're going to enter two critical pieces of information, the source URL and the target URL. The source URL is simply the old link you'd like to redirect from, and the target URL is the new destination link where you want your visitors to go. Be careful to input these accurately to avoid any routing issues. Once you've entered these URLs, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it. At this point, the plugin takes over and automatically handles the redirect for you. It's that simple. No need for complex coding or manual server tweaks. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully implemented a URL redirect using WordPress. This straightforward method will ensure that your website remains user-friendly and organized. Thanks for following along, and happy WordPress editing.